have Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts. He's going to show a couple more techniques here.
Okay, so one of the things that we do a lot in Tai Chi is stance disruption. And I don't know a lot about Shui Jiao, which is Chinese wrestling, but I think it has a lot of overlap with that for the different kinds of throws. So basically, if we're mixing it up, one of the things that Tai Chi will do will be to come in to the inside, and if I get in far enough, I hook the heel, and I can come in.
Yeah, it just hyperextends the knee.
Right. See, now, and if for whatever reason I step with the other one, same thing. Okay.
So you're stepping in.
I'm stepping in and hooking and coming in here. So I can be doing just here.
Right.
And it doesn't matter which leg. Obviously, if we're in here close, especially, we talked about this, getting into a clinch.
Oh, yes.
Heel on the ground, hooking behind his heel with my toe, and just shifting forward. My knee doesn't go beyond my toe.
Oh, yeah. Complete hyperextension of the knee.
Yeah. And if I come around from the outside, same thing, my knee and toe are in alignment. And I'm just shifting forward.
Oh, yeah, that you could tell that could just wreck your knee.
Right?
And keep in mind, guys, like I said, we can be in the over-under clinch, and he can do these kind of things, okay? Exactly. Think about that for your combat applications.
I can also just step straight through his stance without even thinking about a knee. If I'm here, we're here, and I just come in. Okay? I didn't even go for a knee. I just stepped through his stance. So that can help you in a lot of situations. And then also, I had you there, and I was coming in, I was hooking, and I'm coming in.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Which is different.
He's going really light, guys. This can really knock your knee right back.
Oh yeah, we don't want to destroy each other's knees.
Yeah.
But if I come straight in, if I forget to hook, I can just shift forward. As long as I hook his kneecap with my kneecap. But I'm better off if I hook.
Ooh, yeah.
And see, I didn't even have to shift for that one. If you get your position right and you practice that hook the toe, then when you get into that situation where you need to use it, you don't have to think about that. And it doesn't take much, like I said, like I did that one.
Oh, exactly. This is just a technique you don't see much of, and it's like super effective and super simple. And if you miss it, you haven't compromised anything of your stance, nothing. So
right.
That's awesome.